Good morning. So today I want to read Hiccups for Elephant, and I want to thank Scholastics for giving us permission to read their books online. It was nap time, and all the animals was fast asleep. Except for Elephant. He had the hiccups. Hiccup! Chimp woke up. I can cure those hiccups, Chimp said. Stand on your head and eat a banana. Have you ever tried to do that? Elephant gave it a try. Kaboom! It only made him dizzy. Hiccup! Lion woke up. I can cure those hiccups, Lion said. Drink lots of water, very, very fast. Elephant gave it a try. He drank and drank and drank. Hiccup! Zebra woke up. I can cure those hiccups, Zebra said. Hold your breath and count to 10 backwards. Elephant gave it a try. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hiccup! Mouse woke up. What's all the noise? Mouse asked. I'm trying to sleep. Poor Elephant has the hiccups, Chimp explained. Mouse looked at Elephant in the eye. Boo! He shouted. Everyone waited and waited, but there was no more hiccups. Works every time, Mouse said, and all the animals went back to sleep. Except for the elephant. Achoo! Thank you guys so much.